Araw to, syempre, sa mga babae, importante yan. Dahil yan ang kanilang inaantay, ang pagdidibu ng isang ganap na babae. At 18 years old, yan ang inaantay nila eh.
Hi Regina, happy 18th birthday. No, bilang kuya mo, no, ang unang wish ko ay sana pakabait ka na, no.
Ngayong araw nito, napaka-espesyal. Siyempre, ito yung 18th birthday ng aking unika iha na mahal namin. So, I'm very excited on this day.
Wala yun, laki ng tiyan ko eh.
Yun, di ba? Ikot, siyempre.
First of all, Regina, happy birthday. Ayun nga, hindi ka na minor, so pwede ka nang makulong.
You're not anymore a baby, but a sweet young lady. I'm so happy because I am here with you celebrating your 18th birthday.
Sana, ang wish ko sa'yo ay makatapos ka ng college. So, first year ka ngayon, yun lang yung pangarap ko na makatapos ka ng college, makahanap ka ng magandang work. And also, yun lang, ma-reach mo yung goals mo sa buhay and yung dreams mo. And enjoy life, nak.
It's a beautiful I wish you that your journey in life be filled with love, happiness, and success. And do remember that I will always love you no matter what.
It's a beautiful, it's a beautiful, it's a beautiful